You're paying $80 for a bottle of perfume that costs $3 to make. In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn the exact formula to create custom fragrances that last all day for pennies. Step 1. Gather your base. You'll need a 10 milliliter amber glass bottle, 7 milliliters of jojoba oil or fractionated coconut oil as your carrier, and a dropper. The carrier dilutes essential oils so they last longer on skin and won't burn. Step 2. Add your essential oils. Combine 2 to 3 drops of a base note like sandalwood or vetiver, 4 to 5 drops of a heart note like lavender or rose, and 2 to 3 drops of a top note like lemon or bergamot. This layering creates depth. Step 3. Mix thoroughly. Close the bottle and shake vigorously for 30 seconds. Let it sit in a cool, dark place for 24 hours. This allows the oils to bond and develop the full scent profile. Step 4. Apply and adjust. Dab on pulse points, wrists, neck, behind ears. If it's too strong, add more carrier oil. If too weak, add 1 more drop of essential oil and shake again. Pro tip: never use synthetic fragrance oils. They don't last. Pure essential oils cost more up front, but create perfumes that actually last 6 to 8 hours. What's your signature scent combo? Drop it in the comments below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.